Wow, have you ever wished your iPad Pro could multitask the way you actually want it to? Like pulling up a floating app without losing your full screen view? Well, guess what? Slide over in full screen is finally back in iPadOS 26.1, and it is insanely useful. Let me show you how to unlock it right here. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna break down how to use slide over on the iPad Pro while keeping your main app running in full screen. Apple brought back some of the older multitasking behavior in the latest iPadOS builds, and honestly, this feels smoother than ever. First, make sure your iPad is updated to the latest version of iPadOS. Apple keeps polishing multitasking features, so updating ensures everything works the way it should. Now, let's get into enabling multitasking. Open the Settings app on your iPad Pro. Scroll down and tap Multitasking and Gestures. Here, you'll see options like Stage Manager, Windowed Apps, and other multitasking tools. Make sure multitasking is turned on, or turn it on from the control center. You don't need to change anything else for now. Alright, time to unleash slide over. Open any app, like Safari. Swipe up slightly from the bottom to show the dock. Then grab another app from the dock, let's say Messages, and drag it onto the screen edge, either left or right. Drop it in the center and it pops into a slide over instantly. Now here's the cool part. You can keep your main app in full screen while slide over floats on top. You can move that slide over window to the left or right side, switch between multiple slide over apps, and swipe the bottom handle to flip through them quickly. If you want to hide slide over for a moment, swipe it off to the right. To bring it back, swipe from the right edge again. If you're done with it, swipe up just like the iPhone app switcher to close it. Slide over in full screen is perfect for quick tasks like replying to texts, checking emails, jotting down notes, or looking something up without interrupting your main workflow. It makes the iPad Pro multitasking experience feel faster, smarter, and way more flexible. For split screen, set 2, 3, and 4 apps side by side at once. Watch my full tutorial given in the top iCard and video description. So that's how you unleash slide over in full screen on the iPad Pro. If this helps you out, hit like and subscribe for more iPad tips coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.